Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking your Vivo and opening settings. Tap the search icon if needed. Once in settings, go to System or Additional Settings to narrow options because Manufacturer's Group button controls there. Make sure to look for Buttons, Gestures, or Power button options and tap it. This is the control center for what the power key does. By beginning here, you avoid digging through unrelated menus and you're ready for the specific behavior changes in the next step. Once done locating the power button menu, you choose how each press behaves. You can map single press, long press, or double press to functions like lock, voice assistant, camera, or screenshot. Pick the one you need. If options include time thresholds or toggle switches, set the delays and enable the features you want so accidental presses won't trigger actions. Be deliberate. Shorter delays make actions faster, longer delays reduce mistakes, and that balance is why after saving your choices, you should test each configured press right away to confirm behavior. If something feels off, return to the menu to fine-tune delays or reassign actions because small tweaks fix most issues. If settings won't stick, reboot the phone and try again. Make sure system updates are applied and no third-party app is overriding buttons. As a troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode to check for app interference. If it works in safe mode, uninstall recently added apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.